Hi, I'm Raymond Whitaker from VivaMK Beauty. Just going to show you what's inside the VivaMK catalogue. So a lot of the beauty products are from VivaMK Cosmetics, which is a British company based down in Winsford in Cheshire, and their products are like vegan free. So that's the catalogue. So I'm just going to show you what we've got in. I had in the order today. So got some essential oils. Like it got a oatmeal body scrub. Got some hand cream. Got some blush. Got an eye pencil. Got some concealer. Got some clear mascara. So I got some brushing sticks. So thank you for watching. That's all for today. Just some of the items what we got in the order today.